Almost every mental health conversation I've watched online eventually asks anger to become something else. Process it, transform it, let it go. Rarely does anyone just let it sit there, fully felt, without immediately steering it towards solution, resolution. Literature is more honest about anger than most wellness culture is, and I think that's exactly why it helps. A book doesn't need your anger to resolve by the last page in order to be a good book. It can simply hold it, examine it, let a character be furious for the entire length of a novel without apologizing for that on the character's behalf. Audre Lorde's essay collection, Sister Outsider, does this directly. She writes about anger not as a problem to manage but as information, a precise and legitimate response to real conditions. Reading her isn't comfortable in the soothing sense. It's something better than comfortable, it's accurate. And accuracy, when you're angry and being told everywhere else to calm down, can feel like being taken seriously for the first time in a while. Claudia Rankine's Citizen does something similar from a different angle. Anger braided so closely with grief and exhaustion that you start to see how rarely anger arrives alone. It's nearly always carrying something else underneath it, and a book willing to sit in that complexity does more for an angry reader than any instruction to breathe through it. I also look for novels with a genuinely furious narrator who isn't punished by the plot for being furious. So much fiction quietly moralizes anger out of its characters by the end, which teaches readers the same lesson wellness culture does, that anger is acceptable only on its way to becoming something gentler. The books that actually help let anger be the legitimate, intelligent response it often is. What I like to avoid here is anything that frames anger purely as something to release through technique, breathing exercises dressed up as plot. That has its place, but it's not what this particular reading is for. This is about being met in the feeling, not redirected out of it. Now tell me in the comments, how do you suggest or deal with your anger?